Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today I am finally gonna do my shipping video for you. This will be part one, probably of at least two, maybe three videos. Today I'm going to be talking about pirate ship and how to ship coast to coast, super cheap and super easy with pirate ship. Save money doing shipping with Macari and Bonanza and all those other companies too. Not Poshmark. Poshmark has their own deal. um, but yeah, shipping coast to coast super cheaply and shipping international ridiculously cheap. Pirate ship makes it so easy that it's basically the same from you shipping from coast to coast in the US to from here to, I don't know, Japan. I mean, pirate ship makes it super easy. They basically take care of anything, and the only time I've had a couple problems, they've taken care of it. So um, I really recommend pirate ship, and let's get into video, and I'll show you what's going on if it wants to. Alright, the first thing you want to do is go to pirateship.com, create a free account, which is super fast, super easy. Pirate Ship doesn't charge you or anything, so just go create an account. I already have an account, so it's just going to take me directly to my main page. But the first thing you want to do after you create an account is hook up your eBay account to Pirate Ship, so when you start shipping out with Pirate Ship, it'll automatically input the tracking number and mark the item as shipped, because you don't want to eBay to believe that you didn't ship the item. So I would advise you to just hook up your account. Much easier, and then you don't have to copy and paste the shipping information. But if you don't want to, they do have an awesome feature, which is right here. It is a paste feature. So I use this for Bonanza and Mercari and Depop and any other place that I want to that I don't want to use their shipping. Not Poshmark, of course. Poshmark has their own shipping, but this paste address thing is super fast. You just like copy and paste and it goes directly in there. Anyways, let me show you some of the savings with Pirate Ship. Let's go to rates, so I can show you the different rates. It's really a lot of savings compared to the normal way of shipping. I'm in California, so I'll put the ship to 1001, which is all the way in New York, so that's across the country. So you'll see kind of the different you'll see the prices. That's what I'm trying to say. Let's go 12 by 8 by 3. 12 by 8 by 3. Oh, 12 by 8 by 3 is my normal like action figure box, so I know I use this all the time, so that's basically why I'm showing it to you. Let's go crazy. Let's go 10 pounds. And we'll get the rate quote from Pirate Ship. This is the box. And let's see. Priority mail cubic is 1267. So now let me show you this special feature. This is a special feature from Pirate Ship. It's called box and bag. So if you put 12 by 8, so what you do is you get a bag, and if it measures 12 by 8, you stuff a box in it. I don't care what you have to do to it, blow it up, pull it, cut it, I don't care what you do, just get this box in the bag. So you're looking at, what did I say? 1267. So let me show you the 12 by 8, 10 pounds. So this is 1043. So you're saving about $2.20 every time you ship it this way, rather than the other way of not doing their special envelope poly thingy. Box and bag, I should call it. Let me show you the real savings. If you go really big, like 18 by 18, we'll do 10 pounds again. Get a rate quote. Internet wants to hurry up. We got priority cubic at 2574. Seems kind of high. And let's do the regular box. This is the eBay way, we'll do 18 by 18, and that box will never fit in the 3, so we'll have to do probably a 10. So 18 by 18 by 10. So you're looking at 28, or you're going priority mail at 58.46. So that is ridiculous. So what I was talking about, the box and bag feature saves you so much money. So $58, or what did I say? Come on. 25.74. So a lot different. You can also do parcel select ground, which is 17.83. I mean, that'll take forever to get there, kind of. But I would probably pick it. I mean, it saves $8. I would probably pick that too. But anyways, let's talk about shipping to out of the country. Out of the country is so easy. It's like shipping. It's basically the same way from shipping from here to New York. I'm in California, like I said. I mean, Pirate Ship makes it so easy. Let's go. Let me show you. I don't care what country. Togo or Tokale? I've never heard of that country. But let's go something smaller. Let's go 10 by 8. And I'm not doing pounds. We'll just do 8 ounces. Something really simple that I ship probably about 5 to 10 of these a day. Again, I'm from California, so it's going there. Pirate Ship simple export rate, like I've talked about on my videos a million times. This is $10.99 to ship from 0 to 8 ounces. And when they ship, they basically fill out all the information for you. You just fill out what it is, like it's a toy, it's a game, plush, whatever it is, and they fill out basically all the rest. For a pound, let me show you the pound. You're looking at $14.99 to send an item that weighs a pound overseas. So super inexpensive, and usually for a pound or more, eBay is charging them around $30. So you're making half that money. Don't give it back to the customer. The customer agreed on the price. Keep your money. If anything ever happens when you're shipping overseas, you have a little bit of money back up. I've never really had a problem. I've had one that took like 4 months to get there. So that was ridiculous. I don't know what happened. It took 4 months to get there. I already refunded the buyer. I contacted Pirate Ship. Pirate Ship refunded me the shipping. The item actually got to the customer 4 months later, and the customer contacted me and sent me the money through PayPal. So yeah, the one real problem I've had, it wasn't really a problem. But yeah, to do the simple export rate, you have to go down here. There's a little like help section right here. Well, it's a contact button. You just push this contact button and you ask them, can you give me the Pirate Ship simple export rate? That's this right here. That way you save on anything international or everything going out international. All right, now you got Pirate Ship set up and everything else. Let me show you how to do the business policy so you can use this to your advantage and make a lot of money. Let's go to eBay. All right, went to my eBay. This is manage active listings. You can see I have 3,831 listings. I'm being lazy. I got to get that back to 4,000. All right, so from active listings, go down here, set up your business policies. I'll walk you through setting up all your business policies. Business policies saves me so much time. Even when I list on the app, which I rarely do, it imports all my business policies. So all the little questions and stuff are already answered. All right, this is the business policy page. You can see the payment default. So you know, the normal payment, whether it's PayPal. Most people are not under PayPal anymore. They're through the eBay for business or whatever it's called now. But yeah, that's my Plush Games and More policy. That's for all listings. You can see all my listings are under that policy. These are all set up for you. So once you start going into the business policies, you'll see that most of them are set up. Some of them might be duplicates, so you might have to clean them up. There's a button right here to clean up policies. Like one time I had like 12 of them, so I had to clean them up. My generic return policies is I accept all returns, but the buyer pays shipping. You can see right here. Let me just click it for you. Why not? This is how you set it up. You just put a name for it. I put the description, and here's the policy. 30 days, buyer pays shipping, and you're done. That is it. Let me cancel it. I don't want to mess up my policy. My main policy is right here. It's first class international. Let me show you that. That's how I ship all my items, either throughout the country or through internationally. This is how I ship most of my items. You can see first class international shipping. I have mine under 2 business days because one time I've had one day of 170 items to ship out in one day, and I will not do that again. It was a long, it was around the Christmas holiday, and that was a terrible day. All right, but anyways, here's how I have my shipping set up. It is flat cost to all buyers. First class, 3 to 5 days is free. If the people want to pay extra, they can. I have it under $7.99, which, I mean, if they ship it priority, that's about what the cost is. That's usually a flat rate. So I might have to pay a few dollars, but since I have normal shipping free, it's no big deal. I mean, you can raise it if you want a few more dollars, but here is all the policies. You can go through all those if you want, but I've rarely used more than 2 or 3 policies. So here is the shipping. Handling time, like I said, is 2 days. And you can do the global shipping program, or this is what I like to do. This is what I use with Pirate Ship. It is calculated costs by buyer's location worldwide, and it is USPS first class international. This is what the price is going off of. I have a handling cost of 50 cents. You don't have to put that, but I've always had it at 50 cents, so not going to change it now. But yeah, that is super simple. That's how you set it up. So eBay will charge them a flat rate cost, and depending on the ounces that you put in there, they will charge the customer, and then you just print it out on Pirate Ship. Super simple and easy. Let me show you all my other policies just in case you're curious before I shut it down. This one is first class or free shipping GSP for the bigger items, like I don't know if I had like a big PlayStation, or if I had something like over $200, or something huge that I didn't really want to ship internationally, but I still do I still offer it. So that's what I have this for. This is just global shipping program. That's where eBay takes care of it. So if it's lost, or like I said, mostly the higher priced items I put there. That's just global shipping program. That's it. For the bigger items, I do a free priority one. Free priority is basically what it says. It's just free priority, and I use the global shipping program. This is for any item over a pound, 16 ounces, and it's the same thing. I just ship it to the global shipping program. eBay takes care of it, and that's it. One more that I have for books, just the generic media mail. That's all I have. This one is a copy, so I shouldn't even have this. I should take that off. I don't use FedEx anymore. I used to use FedEx 100 years ago, but with Pirate Ship, FedEx is basically useless. I've never found any cheaper rate from FedEx than I have from using Pirate Ship. But anyways, hope this is helpful for people that have been wondering how I do the cheaper shipping. Like I said, just get the bags, squish the box in as tightly as you can, and then get the smallest bags as possible, 12 by 8. Then it goes up from there. I think it's 14 by 14, something like that. But the prices go up higher and higher and higher. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it's helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. you have any questions on this, let me know. I will sure to help you. Take care. Bye.